Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to Peaceful Teachings. You're working long shifts, you barely have time to breathe, deadlines are choking you, and suddenly it's time for prayer. But you think, maybe I can skip just this one time. Can I skip prayers for work? You're not alone. Muslims all over the world are facing this dilemma daily. Bosses won't allow breaks, clients don't stop calling, and Salah time, it's slipping away. But the real question is, what does Islam say about skipping prayers for work? Did you know that even on the battlefield, Muslims never miss a prayer? They prayed under the sky, behind cover, while marching. Yet today, in air conditioned offices, we ask, can I delay it until after work? Islam isn't just for Fridays, it's not a weekend identity, it's a way of life. Allah didn't command you to pray when it's convenient, He commanded you to pray on time. If your work is keeping you away from prayer, then maybe it's just not the job that needs a change. Maybe your priorities do. No work, no salary, no boss is worth missing your meeting with the Lord of the worlds. But don't take it from me. Listen carefully to what Sheikh Assim Al Hakeem has to say about this.
Living in Europe face the difficulty of praying on time, and their bosses, due to racism, due to different reasons, would not allow them to pray on time. So he says, if I pray before time, this is not possible, and if I pray after Dhuhr time, then this is qada. So what to do? Akhi, you must pray on time. Full stop. Allah says, Inna salata kanat ala al-mu'minina kitaban mawquta. Verily, prayer has been prescribed at given times. So you must pray your prayer on these given times. Now, you have breaks. People usually have a break to go for a smoke or to go for coffee break. And this usually happens every hour or couple of hours. So these breaks, you can go, perform wudu, pray your fard prayer without the sunnah, and this would not even take more than 7 minutes of your time. Postponing the prayer until the time is out, this is not permissible unless there is a legitimate reason. A surgeon operating on a patient, Dhuhr time comes, and if he stops to pray Dhuhr, there would be problems and consequences. So it's permissible for him to delay Dhuhr and pray it with Asr. This is an urgent matter, and this is not every single day. A person who is having a midterm exam or the final exams of the year, and it coincides with Maghrib and Isha. So he goes before Maghrib, sunset, and it extends until Isha time. In this case, we say combine Maghrib and Isha, no problem. But
did you hear that? Clear, undeniable. Skipping Salah because of work isn't just a mistake, it's a major loss. Salah is not a burden, it's a gift, it's not a disruption to your day. It's the very thing that blesses your day. How can we accept barakah in our careers, peace in our homes, or ease in our hearts if we are too busy to speak with the one who controls it all? Allah doesn't ask for hours, just minutes, yet those minutes hold the power to change your dunya and akhirah forever. And remember, the grave won't ask how much overtime you put in, but will ask about your prayers. So today, make a decision, no matter how busy life gets. Never let your salah be the first thing to go, because when you give priority to Allah, He will make everything else fall perfectly into place. May Allah make it easy for all of us. If this reminder helped you, help others by sharing it, and subscribe to stay connected to what really matters, our Deen.